Hey guys, Matt Holtquist here with the QuickBooks University and the Holtquist firm, and I want to personally invite you to a webinar I am doing on May 21st called How to Increase Cash Flow in Your Business. I've worked with tons and tons of small business owners over the years, and the number one issue with every one of these business owners is cash flow. They oftentimes live paycheck to paycheck, and they're waiting on those payments to come in from customers so that they can pay their bills or buy their inventory. So what I want to do in this webinar is to show you, give you an understanding of cash flow in your business and give you some very practical tips that you can start using immediately to increase your cash flow. So what I want you to do is click the link below, sign up for the webinar, and if you can't make the webinar, sign up anyway because I will be sending out a recording afterwards. Now, it's a 30-minute webinar because I know everyone's time is valuable, and it is completely free. This is just something that I like to give back as an educational series to help business owners succeed, and so I hope you join me. Again, go ahead and click the link below and sign up for the webinar, and I look forward to seeing you there.